Look at the glisten on these. We are in Richmond, the dim sum capital of the world, checking out a brand new opening that is already serving up absolute units of Siu Mai. The energy in here is great for a brand new opening. It's clean, it's fast, and the smell of that freshly steamed pork is everywhere. Just look at the structure of this thing. This isn't that smooth processed mystery meat. This is hand-chopped pork shoulder. That glisten, pure rendered fat and juice. And check the shrimp. No tiny bits here, just whole snappy tiger shrimp in every bite. Drip that into the house-made chili oil. We've got the salt, we've got the heat, and now we need the snap. This is a total pork explosion. Look at those hand-chopped chunks. It's a coarse, bouncy grind that actually pushes back when you bite. It has that perfect meatball-like texture. It's dense, it's heavy, and it is absolutely steaming hot. This is what dim sum dreams are made of. Next up, the pearl ball. Look at that glutinous, sticky rice. It's perfectly steamed, so it's soft and chewy on the outside, but it's holding in all those savory juices. Each grain of rice is like a little flavor sponge. It's not mushy, it has that signature toothy bite that makes every mouthful feel so substantial. Inside, you've got that same succulent pork and shrimp mix. The rice adds this sweet, earthy layer that balances out the salty richness of the meat. It's a total texture bomb. Watch as 3 more baskets of absolute gold make their way to the table. Time to dig in. Look at the har gao. These are absolute units. The skin is so thin and translucent, you can see those massive chunks of pink shrimp just begging to get out. The snap on that shrimp is unbelievable. It's firm, it's juicy, and that wrapper, it's got that perfect, delicate chew. It is a literal texture bomb in my mouth. Check out the liu sha bao. This is the legendary molten lava bun we've been waiting for. The dough is like a giant fluffy marshmallow, so soft it just bounces right back when you touch it. Witness that golden lava gushing out. Pure liquid gold. You can see the sandy, grainy texture. That's the mark of real, high-quality salted egg yolk right there. That contrast is insane. You get the hit of sweet custard and then bam! That savory, salty kick hits the back of your throat. It's rich, it's velvety, and it just coats your entire palate. It's like a warm, salty sweet hug for your soul. Get a load of these beef buns. They're incredibly dense and heavy. You can feel the weight of that filling the second you pick one up. The dough is remarkably airy, like a soft, steamed pillow that's just waiting to be broken into. Just look at that glistening beef. It's not just meat, it's a concentrated explosion of savory juices and aromatics. You can see the dark, rich seasoning soaking right into the inner layer of the bun. That's where all the flavor lives. It's like a hidden treasure chest of pure umami. Every chew releases more of that deep, ginger-infused juice that just coats your mouth. It's hearty, it's soulful, and it's exactly what you want from a late-night dim sum run. This place is a total steamer jungle. It's packed with every dim sum classic you can think of, all served 24/7. Even in a sea of options, you can see the quality control. Everything is steaming hot, perfectly fresh, and ready for that chili oil dip. You can see the hustle behind the counter. Everything here is handmade from scratch. No frozen, factory-made stuff allowed. They're rolling that dough paper thin but strong enough to hold in all those juices. This is the quality control you only get in a place that knows its craft. It's a non-stop cycle of folding, filling, and steaming. When you see this much care going into every basket, you know you're getting a serious, high-quality snap in every single bite. The energy in here is electric. It's clean, it's fast, and for a brand new opening, they are already operating like a seasoned pro. If you're in Richmond and need that hand-chopped, high-quality snap, you have to put this new spot on your list. This is the next big name in the dim sum capital. Follow along for more hidden gems and the best eats across the city. See you at the next bite.